Hey guys, this is Holden. I'm sorry for completely forgetting to record the start for this video, so I'm doing it from home. In this video, we are going to tour a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom loft in the city center. It's located near some incredible landmarks, including China's first Louis Vuitton ship and the largest Starbucks in Shanghai, and the historic Zhangyuan, a traditional Shanghai-style garden. Okay, let's take a look for this local market. It's called the Taigu Market. Peach. 好. That is a peach, and the price for the peach. Yeah. And watermelon. Watermelon is very popular in China, and I also love this fruit. And yeah, check this screen. That is to say, what is the popular things on the market. By the way, that is the first time I see that things. It's not unusual in China. That's new things. Now we are in the compound. The compound is really good, and they made a lake in the compound. Here I can see the Shanghai Tower. That is the Shanghai Tower. Let's say if we can get into the bridge. I'm not sure if we can get in the bridge through this road. Now we are on the bridge. Can you imagine you rent an apartment in Shanghai and you have a bridge in your own compound? Whew. Let's take a look. I think that plant is called, in Chinese called Hehua. I don't know how to say it in English, maybe lotus. Alright, now let's find our apartment. We are now at the 11th floor. There is a door, we can't go outside. Ooh, it's quite tall here. This side is the lake we just visited before. And this side is the city view of Shanghai downtown. Let's take a look. Here is the entrance. There is a stair, so that is the loft. Now let's take a look of the living room. There is also a table for dinner. Then a sofa, a very long sofa. And the TV. By the way, all the furniture are included in the rent. Now let's see the window. It's a nice window with good view. The window looks like a picture in my camera. Now we're back at the entrance and take a look for the toilet. So it's only a toilet, no shower. Alright, that is the kitchen. I love the size of this kitchen. Here is a 3-gas stove, not 2. I believe this is the oven. Yeah. We can see there are many storage in this kitchen, so it's very convenient. And now the washing machine and the drying machine. Also, there is a laundry balcony. The view is quite the same as the living room. I think it's a little bit windy today. Let me explain why there is a laundry balcony. Because in China, people believe dry their clothes under the sunshine is health. Okay, let's keep visiting. Let's go to the second floor. Now we are at the second floor. There are 2 bedrooms in the second floor. I think they are the same size. the bed and the wardrobe, and also air conditioning. That is a king size bed. I have to say this bedroom also have a nice view. I believe in the night it will be beautiful when the city decorated with the light. Let's check another bedroom. Okay. The size is quite the same. The difference is this one has a larger wardrobe and a larger air condition. Right. Now let's take a look for the bathroom. The bathroom is not bad, pretty big. Toilet and shower. By the way, there are 2 switches here. That means this apartment has central air conditioning and floor heating. Okay, now we are back in the living room. The price for this one is about 26,000 RMB per month. It's about $3,700 per month. All right, now we are heading to the Zhangyuan. I think in English should be called Zhang Garden. Let's go. We just walk and find the famous ship. This one, the Louis Vuitton ship. I saw this ship in the media for many times, but that is the first time I come here, and I never thought it would be that big. It's really huge. Take a look. So you know, when Louis Vuitton make advice in this area, that is a very, very posh area, and many people are taking photo here. I think they will post their photo on the local social media. So that is a Louis Vuitton ship, and that is the biggest Starbucks in Shanghai. So why not take a look? Let's go. Yeah, there are too many people in this place. It's Saturday, so not only locals, also visitors. By the way, we are the visitors. It's almost 1,000 RMB, $130. It's too expensive. They have the second floor. What is on the second floor? Let's take a look. I think there were only very, very few local people come to this place because the bread and the coffee is much expensive than the outside. The Starbucks here is very different from outside. It's more like a restaurant, not a cafe. They're selling a lot of things like pizza, and they're selling alcohols here. That is my first time seeing alcohol selling in Starbucks. Oh, now we can see the gate of Zhangyuan Garden. It used to belong to the rich people. Now it's open to public. So let's get in. All right, this building is called Shikumen. It's a typical Shanghai building. I think it's a combine of Asian China and Europe culture. There is a board says something about this building. So that is a heritage architecture. So this building is built 100 years ago. It's quite old, but I think it's already under renovated. I love this building. The decoration is fantastic. Alright, that is the end of today's journal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.